Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Now you should go to General Management, where you will locate Reset. Simply open it, and here you will see Reset Network Settings. So if you truly want to reset network settings, click on this icon. Now just come along with the notification that this operation will reset all settings for Wi-Fi, mobile data, and also Bluetooth. And if you still want to do it, click on Reset Settings. Now confirm it that you want to perform this operation, as it cannot be undone. Click on Reset Settings, and that's it. As you can see, network settings have been reset. So that's basically all. This is how you can reset network settings in your Galaxy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.